So friend, iPhone 17 series comprising the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air or Slim, iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to break cover in September. Apple has yet to announce any details related to the iPhone 17 series, but an alleged hands-on image of the iPhone 17 Pro has surfaced online, offering yet another glimpse at the possible design of the purported handset. And the image reveals a new design with a rectangular camera array. The rear design of the iPhone 17 Pro is similar to Google's latest Pixel phones, and previous leaks have repeatedly indicated that the iPhone 17 Pro will feature a new camera design with a wider camera island. And the latest hands-on image posted on X by tipster Mason Wu corroborates these claims, and the render shows the device appears in a white finish with a wide camera bar that extends across the width of the device. The purposed look is similar to the horizontal camera module seen on the Pixel 9, and Apple currently uses a square camera bump on the Apple 16 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro. The elongated camera array of the iPhone 17 Pro appears to house 3 rear camera sensors. They seem to be arranged on the left side of the chassis, with the flash module being shifted to the right. Over the past few weeks, the iPhone 17 Pro has been tipped multiple times, and it is tipped to arrive in a new sky blue colorway with a 6.3-inch display, and it is rumored to be powered by an A19 chip manufactured with TSMC's latest 3nm process. The handset is likely to support a dual video recording feature that is expected to arrive with iOS 19, and Apple is set to use an aluminum frame for the iPhone 17 Pro, and it could pack 12 GB of RAM, and it is said to come with a triple rear camera unit headlined by an improved 48-megapixel telephoto rear camera. And the iPhone 17 Pro might also feature a 12-megapixel selfie camera like its predecessor. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.